Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training, and today we're going to look at creating a industrial building and linking models. So this is going to try to get through this as fast as I can. So what we have is our layout of our industrial building, and its dimensions are, let's see here, I want to go and click here. I want to go with wall faces. And I want to go and select this wall. We all know how to do this entire wall. Options. And let's say openings. With here. We'll go. Go here. Intersecting grids and wall sections and walls. So there we go. Okay, here we'll select this wall. There we go. We'll get this one here. So this is our architectural plan of our industrial building. Okay, and then we'll go this way, grab this whole wall. Uh-oh, sorry guys. So now, I'm going to go and annotate this again. Dimension is here. So we'll get all our walls and our dimensions done here. So then I always like to do an overall. Just go for, zoom in here and go do a tab to this and go to this one. So there's our overall dimension there. It's a pretty nice sized building. This is from the architect, and we got to decide what we do as our structure. So that will be next. So I'm going to go tab here and get that overall dimension. Okay, since we got a complete square, we won't have to worry about that, and I can adjust this as such. Boom. So now there's our architectural model. So what we have over here, we have some rooms and everything. And then just to look at our elevations here. So I'm gonna go look at my north elevation here. Okay. And then my south. And we also have a 3D view here. So this is our building that we're gonna work with here. We're gonna so this is our architect's model, and all the architect is giving us really is, they've got a room here, and these are the dimensions. Did I get those as well? So I might want to go in here and do these dimensions here. And here as well. So, but this is the layout to the warehouse. It's just a big building, and we're going to lay it all out and get our structure and everything going here. So again, this is our level 1, and if I want to go and tile these views just so we can see where we are here, guys. Zoom all. Okay, so there's our elevations. I don't want to see that right now. Okay, sorry about that. That's part of my structural model I was working on, but this building is what we're going to create. We obviously want to have this roof type. We have to do several roof types because it's pretty wide span, as you can see here. So anyway, now the next thing we'll do is we have our architect's model here. And then we need to have to create our structural model. So in that case, what we'll do in this exercise, we're going to create these model files. So we've got this done where we want it. I'm just going to go back into this view. And yeah, I don't want to fit this. So we got our floor plan ready, and this is what the architect says. He's got some columns here. But we'll leave that up to the structural. That's going to be structural, but That's a good sense of where we might want to have our columns. So now what I'll do is I'll go and I'll exit this file, and we'll go and start creating our structural model. We'll go and do the architectural and this later on, but this is architectural, this is industrial building A. And now I'm going to go and I'm going to leave this. I'm going to close inactive views. I'm going to exit out of this. And I want to say yes there. And then I want to go and open my structural, which is this one. Now in our structural model, this is some elements that we started out with, and we have the architect's model linked in. Now I'm going to unload this now, because I had already done it, and I want to just show you how this works, how you do this. So this is what's going to happen here. We're going to probably use tapered trusses like this for this building for now. This is our structure, but we do have to work on our floor, because it is not, let me see what kind of floor is this. Okay, this is just your next. So we're going to have to create our floor. So on this side, we've got our structural to work on. So what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to look at my my levels here. So this is my level 1, and then level 2. So now I'm going to remove this link. I'm going to do it from the manage links, actually. I'm going to remove it and say okay. So I'm removing my architectural link. I want to show you how you would do that. So basically, do this in 3D. So what's happening here is, this is going to be our structural model. I'm going to have my grids here and everything. And what we'll do is, we'll link this back into our architect's model. So what happens here is, if you go into manage links, okay, and then, okay, here, cancel that, sorry. This is the structure. So what I'm going to do is go and manage links here. Let's cancel that. Sorry guys, brain fart. So just want to insert a link. And I want to link in the architect's model here. So that's what we do. We're linking that model. We'll go open and okay. So there's the architect's model. That's how you would link it in. Like I said, that's just a link. So we've got to go here now and work on our structural, because the architecture is pretty much done. But we want to focus on here on our structural. So what I'm going to do here is put this in shaded view. So these are the combined models here. This is going to be our workflow, folks. So what I'm going to do now is go back and remove my structural architecture. For now, I'm just going to unload it because I don't really need it, because what I've got to focus on now is my structural, my floors, my columns, and my beams and everything. So now that architecture is done, we can just shut it off and then do what we need to do in our structural model here. So now we want to go to our level 1, which is here. I'm going to view, I'm going to tab these views. And what we have here in level 1, we've got trusses. But then, most importantly, this is going to be our top of footing here, this level. So we need to have a look at this in our elevation view. I'm going to look at my north elevation. So we only go with 10 feet height, so that's okay. This is okay. This is just basic. We can do any height we want, but for now, let's use this 10 feet here. It's just a little simple little warehouse, not a big deal, but big. Okay, so now, okay. So that's the top of footing is 2'6". So what we're going to do is we're going to do a footing and a floor plan all around this in our level. So the first thing now we need to do is get our levels organized. This is the top of footing, so we're going to need a footing here and a column, a full foundation plan. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm just going to get started on this because we're going to show you how to do a structural model along with an architectural model, and then we move it to MVP. This is going to be on a larger scale. So hey guys, I'll see you in the next video. It'll be about our foundation. So let's just take a look at this. Our structural plan on level 1. And we'll go to my top of footing, which is this one. So I'm going to view, tab views. Okay, so now this one right here is going to be the top of foundation level. And we're going to go in our north elevation and organize how we are going to put our footings and do our floor and everything in this model. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Again, this is a structural model we're going to create here from a and we use the link model from the architect's model. So here again, this is our structural model started off, but we're just beginning here. So this video was just to get you guys ready for what's to come. So again, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. It's Father's Day USA. I know in Australia you guys have it in September, I think. I lived over there. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We're going to go and do more work on our foundation, which is level 1 here. All right, so hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, so I'll see you in the next videos like this all the time. Thank you all, and goodbyes. Be safe, y'all. See you in the next video.